Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ngithi akubeni kuhle makhehla, akubeni kuhle bogogo, akubeni kuhle makhehla madala. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, it's like this. Today we'll be talking about the importance of twasa, the importance, the fundamentals of twasa. Why? Why twasa? Now people have to understand this. Ukuthi, you shall never be a traditional healer overnight. That's highly impossible. Highly impossible. Ubungoma buza ngenye indlela yokuthi ke manje kumele ukhiphe ukufa kwamadlozi, usuke ungene ukufa kwamadlozi, angithatha ungene ukufa kwamadlozi kumele kulashwe phakathi. Some people think that when baye ephehlweni they're gonna go inside ephehlweni and masebaqeda ukungena nje immediately they sangomas. It doesn't work like that. There's some procedures that you have ekumele zilandelelwe, khona izinto ekumele zilandelelwe. Wena muntu kumele ulashwe, angithatha wena muntu kumele ulashwe ukufa okuphakathi, angithatha. So it's just like that. So now kumele umuntu understand ukuthi why athwasa, why kumele athwase, why kumele ahlale kubogobela. Do you understand? So now it's like this. You'll never be a soldier overnight. It's highly impossible. And futhi makumele ube yisoldier, kumele uhambe uye la you.thry khona, ngithatha. Ngeke wenze i-sleep out. Thina la ngithwase khona sithanda ukuyibiza i-sleep out. You shall never, angigxeki umuntu, angigxeki sangoma, angigxeki lutho. I'm just advising here that so that people can understand ukuthi kahle kahle lezi zinto lezisebenza kanjani. Do you understand? Because most of the people I get so many messages that zingibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ngakhonakala ukuthi ngithwasele ngisekhaya, ngakhonakala ukuthi ngize ngama-weekend and all that. No, thina la ngithwase khona we do not adapt that. We do not promote that actually. Asipromote le nto leyo ngoba manje kumele kube ne-connection between the two. Mina kumele ngibe khona ne-connection nedlozi lakho. Me and your ancestors has to kumele si-connect, kumele sibe na that connection, kumele si-communicate each and every single day. Do you get it? Angithi mina kumele ngihlale ngokumonitor so that uzokwazi ukukhula ngendlela right. Njengoba nanoma usebusojeni, when you there khona abo captain, khona whatever that you can call it, khona abantu balapho bahlezi bazokubheka, bazokutrain up until uba a fully fledged a soldier, angithatha uba isoldier phela. Angeke utrain ubusoldier ulapha kwakho or ukuphi and go there on your weekends. No, you shall never be a soldier because now there are some rules that has to be followed. Angithi khona ama-rules kumele walandelele, khona izinto kumele zenzwe ulapho, hayi usekhaya. Do you understand? Khona abantu kumele abangamelanga ukuthi bakubone whilst utrain, angithatha. So now it's similar to that. Nasebunyangeni khona izinto ezenzakalayo, khona ama-rules kumele siwalandelele as thina izangoma, as thina sizokwazi ukutrain umuntu, angithatha. So khona izinto kumele uzidle ezingafuni ukuthi uye ekhaya, angithatha. Khona izinduku ekumele zingene phakathi emzimbeni wakho ezingafuni ukuthi uye ekhaya. Do you understand? And now ubunyanga nobusangoma, it's more. There's more to it than you see. There's more to it than you see. Do you understand? There's more to ubungoma. There's more to ubunyanga as it is. There's more into that. So people have to understand ukuthi you will never be a sangoma overnight. Khona izinto kumele zenziwe each and every single day so that wena muntu uzokwazi ukuthola ukuphila, so that uzokwazi ukubona ama-results. Do you get? So now the purpose of umuntu ahlale ephehlweni is that uzilela amadlozi wakho, ulapha amadlozi wakho, silapha wena muntu silapha indawo amadlozi ahlele kuyo, angithatha. So let's say for instance idlozi lakho liyavumbuka lithi mina ngifuna into ekanje nekanje nekanje. kanje nakanje while usekhaya. And then ke lento lesizozenza nini ekhaya. So now it's very important so that kube ne-connection eyenzakalayo between you and the gobela, so that izinto zakho zizokwazi ukuhamba ngendlela, and understand the procedure, understand izinto, the way of doing things, because khona izinto esizenzayo, there's more to this. There's more to this than you see, angithatha. There's more to ukugida. There's more to ukufakeni ubuhlalo. Do you understand? There's khona ezinye izinto ezenziwayo, akusukugida, akusukuhlabela nje ukuba isangoma. There's more to that, so that you need to understand that there's more to that than you see. Do you understand? You need to be prepared, angithatha, so that uzokwazi ukuthatha ikhwama zakini and wenze konke okufanele ukuthi ukwenze, angithatha. So it's very important for you to know ukuthi kahle kahle mawungena ephehlweni, this is what you should expect, angithatha, because uzotrainer and futhi ukuhlala isikhathi sokuhlala ephehlweni si-determine ukuthi how fast you are, idlozi lakho livuthwe kangakanani, and wena uzimisele kangakanani. That's it. And then zikhona izinto ezenzakala ukuthi idlozi likhule ngendlela ekumele zikhule ngalo, so that uzokwazi ukuthi ngempela nje uzothola i-understanding, so that uzokwazi ukukhula ngendlela right, angithatha. So ke amadlozi, sikhulisa amadlozi masephehlweni, silungisa amadlozi masephehlweni, siyenza wena nedlozi lakho nizwane masephehlweni, siyenza ukuthi umndeni wakini ubumbane, kube nokuthula masephehlweni, uthwasela wonke lamadlozi, uqeda amaqalabo babamkhulu kalawo laba kade banawo masephehlweni. Do you understand? There's more to that than you see, angithi abantu ezinjalo. So khona izinto ezenzakalayo ephehlweni ekumele ukuthi futhi nje unganyatheli nasekhaya ngoba uzofaka ukufa ekhaya. That's why sithi sleep out asikho thina lasithwasa khona, angithatha, because sleep out izinto zamanje, umuntu athwasa ekhaya, umuntu ayithwasa, because abantu batswafa ukuhlala kwamuntu, abantu batswafa ukusebenza, abantu batswafa ukuthwasa kahle kahle ngoba bafuna into esheshile. Shortcuts are very dangerous, I must say. Shortcuts are extremely dangerous. Do you understand? So angeke ube soldier uhamba ama-shortcut, angeke wathole wonke lamabhandi wenza ama-shortcuts. No, it's highly impossible. Angithi kumele wenze into yakho iphele, so that nawe uzokwazi ukuphelela, angithatha. That's why it's very important for umuntu akumele ahambe athwase ahlale kwagobela, so that izinto zakho zizokwazi ukuhlangana. Sleep out, we do not promote that la empandeni kababa. Do you understand? So it's very important for umuntu ukuthi azazi and understand the procedure. So that's why umuntu uthwasela ukuthi azokwazi uku-understanda idlozi, uthwasela ukuthi azokwazi uku-understanda ukusebenza ngedlozi, uthwasela ukuthi a-understand ukuthi idlozi li-operate kanjani. Uzilela amadlozi, uzilela wena. Ufuna impilo, sikhipha ukuphila, sikhipha ukufa phakathi kwena. Do you understand? So now there's more than what you see. I won't go in deep into detail, because some things are very sacred. Do you understand? More especially like umuntu make entabeni, ama-secret asentabeni awaphumi. There's only basics. Babone ukuthi umuntu entabeni, yes uyile entabeni, kodwa angeke aze ayibabaza, hey ngentabeni kwasha kwacima ama-secret khona aphuma kanje. No, it doesn't work like that. For you to know ukuthi kwenzakala lephehlweni unesiphiwo, you have to go inside and see for yourself and experience wena muntu. Experience that ngokwakho, so that uzokwazi ukuthola understanding, uzokwazi ukuthola idlozi ukuthi isebenza kanjani, uzokwazi ukuthola ukuthi umuntu makaphethwe idlozi kusuka kwenzenjani, uzokwazi uku-understand zonke lezi zinto, the fundamentals about ukuthwasa, angithatha. So now that's why umuntu noma emtabeni angeke umbona athi hey entabeni kwenza 1 2 3 4. No, you'll never hear that. And futhi akabona ngoba khona izinto zakhona. Angeke uze umuntu uthi uye entabeni and then after kuye entabeni wenza sleep out, uyaya bese uye ekhaya, uyaya bese uye ekhaya, uhambisa ukufa lokho, ufaka ukufa okujulile. So now lento it's more dangerous than izinto zasentabeni. So some people take lento yobungoma for granted ngendlela exakile. So people kwamele bakwazi ukwenza, people kumele bakwazi respect this procedure. Do not take this for granted, because it's very dangerous. So umuntu kumele azame ukuthi respecte le ndlela, I understand, ayenze ngokuphelele, angazirobhi ngoba uzirobha wena muntu, angithathwa. So njengoba futhi umuntu makabaleka ephehlweni ubaleka ngoba manje uthola khona izinto angazi-understand or something like that. Ukubaleka ephehlweni nakho ku-dangerous angithathwa ngoba manje usuka ufakwe insila sephehlweni. Umuntu makangena ephehlweni kumele agezwe before aphume. So khona izinto ezenziwayo. I won't go deep to that singikhipha amaphokopoko, no. Loko-ke manje people have to understand ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zisebenza kanjani, understand them. The main important thing here ukuthi idlozi malingena maloku ungenile lingena nokufa phakathi. Alingeni nje bhuso uphethe amadlozi, lingena liphethe ukufa lokhu elukuphethe phakathi kulona. Lokufa lokhu kungena kuwo, makungena kuwe kumele mazongena ephehlweni kulashwe lolo kufa lokho, angithathwa bese izinto zakho zihamba ziyavuleka-ke uphokwa phela uyaphambili. Please understand that it's very important for you to understand that, angithathwa into ezinjalo. So-ke khona izinto ezenziwayo ephehlweni ekumele singayikhulumi nje budedengu, angithathwa. So khona ama-fundamentals ayenziwayo. So the importance of ukuthwasa is to khulisa idlozi, is to understand idlozi, is to know how idlozi likhuluma kanjani. Is for you ube ne-connection nedlozi, have a proper communication nedlozi lakho. Do you understand? So isebenza ngaleyo ndlela. There's more to that than you see. There's more to this beats. There's more to ukhuphula amadlozi. Yo, there's more to that. You don't just say yo angithatha. There's more to that. So people need to understand that, because you ngeke ube isangoma overnight. There's a procedure. Khona isikhathi ekumele siyenzwe ngakhona, angithatha. The training takes that. Kuya futhi nangomuntu ukuthi how fast you are, how slow you are, angithatha. So that's why it's very important. Sleep out we do not promote. So that's why kubalulekile ukuthi uhlale ephehlweni and wena nogobela nikwazi uku-understandana, idlozi lakho likhulu endlondlobale, so that ukuthi ungabi namacala umangale ukuthi sowuceda ukuthwasa kodwa izinto zakho zihambe ngendlela. Wenzeni ephehlweni, wenzani? Sleep out leso senzile sokwenzani? What did you benefit from that? Because ukuthwaseni you have to benefit something from that. Mawuceda ukuthwasa kumele ubone ama-results. Some people bathwasile yebo kodwa sibone ukuthi bathwasile, bayaphinda bayabu hey kuhlanganelwa kashaqaxhuma. No, I'm criticizing umuntu, I'm just advising people so that you nazi into eniphethe, nazi and understand into enizongena kuyo, angithathwa. Ningayenzi nje izinto budedengu because le nto le u-desperate and wenza izinto because kwamele uyenze. You have to understand this first, angithathwa. Understand idlozi isebenza kanjani. Masongena ephehlweni, that's why umuntu angena ephehlweni, you have to find igobela that's willing ukwazi ukuhlala nawe phansi axoxele athi bheka manje sesenze ukuthi 1 no 3 no 4. The result yaka 1 no 3 no 4 is that from this 1 2 3 4 5 you're gonna benefit such, angithathwa. So that's why it's very important for you to understand masongenile ephehlweni ukuthi wenzani awenzini. Yabuza masephehlweni ukuthi gobela baba yenza ini mangenza, what does this mean mangenza kanje. We teach you how to communicate nedlozi, ukuphahla. You don't just phahla, there's a certain way kumele uphahle ngayo mawusephehlweni so that idlozi lakho lizokwazi ukusondela ukhulume nalo. So-ke makhehla, please understand that ukuthi ukuthwasa is not an overnight thing. You have to ube nokubekezela, you have to understand, you have to follow the procedure so that uzokwazi uba a fully fledged traditional healer, not traditional healer mbombayi. No, a fully fledged, so that uzokwazi ukuthi nawe mawuphuma phakathi uyindlulise lolwazi lolu olutholile ukwazi ukuphilisa abantu, angithathwa. So this is not all about money. This is about ukuphilisa umuntu nedlozi. This is all about giving life to umuntu odingayo. This is all about helping each other, angithathwa. This is about as Africans siwazi ukuthi siphakamise ilizwe lethu. As Africans, it's all about ukuthi sikhulise amagama obabamkhulu bethu siwavuselele, angithathwa. So it's all about that and more, angithi. So makhehla mother, understand and follow and do. Phahla, landelela, wazi, uthola ulwazi. That's it. This is not difficult as it seems. Iba difficult ngoba awunalwazi. Iba difficult because you do not understand ukuthi wenzani. You have to understand so that you can enjoy this and love it and uyenze ngokuphelele. So makhehla, please understand ukuthi ukuthwasa yini. Please understand ukuthi uthwaselani. So ngokwamanje ngibriefile nje ukuthi kanjani. So there's more to what you see. There's more to what you see, and yenza izinto zakho, uthemba amadlozi wakho, konke kwakho kuzovuleka mntana ekhehla. Ngithi akubeni kuhle emakhehla, dede bomnyama kuvela ukukhanya. Ndawo.